Hello, my name is Renan Diego, and today I will be teaching you how to establish a Google Scholar library. So first, what I'm going to want you to do is press sign in, and then afterwards, I'm going to have you go to Google Scholar. You can just type it into the search bar, and it should be the first one that pops up. Next, I'm going to want you to go to this top left area after you get onto this Google Scholar homepage. Top left to My Library. And this will pop up. This is your library. You can save some articles that you can, if you want to read them later, then you just save the articles. How you're going to do that is you're going to find your article that you want. Back to this. Find the article that you want. Do not press on it. The thing about it is to not press on it. And then you want to find the article that you want. Go to the bottom of the article on the Google Scholar page and press this little star. So what the star does is it saves it into your library. You press on it, and see, now I have this article in my library. And that is how you establish a library in Google Scholar. Thank you and have a wonderful day.